Hello and welcome to the new tutorial number 10. In this tutorial I will discuss about conic profiles. So now let's start the first part. Go to mechanical, select the part name, click OK. Now you choose the plane XY, select a sketch. Now you can see here. So this is the ellipse type, parabola, hyperbola and conics. So this all four types of this conic profile. You can find it from here tools also. You can click the tools, go to insert, go to profile, and earlier I have discussed profile of types. So this is the rectangle type, this is the circle type, and now I will discuss about the profile. This all four types. So you can click from here or else you can click from there. So this is the ellipse type. So click ellipse, click one point, second point, and this is the third point. Control Z. Let's choose again. Choose the ellipse, choose this point, this is the origin point, this is the x-axis, and now I will give a y-axis coordinate. So this is the ellipse. You can give a constraint, this point, choose this point and this point, this is the length, and then you can choose constraint, this point and this point. So this is called ellipse type, ellipse profile, and I'll choose with another profile. Ellipse is done. Now you will go to the parabola, click the parabola, click the point, then you can, this is the center point. Now you can choose this point and give a length, height, this is the y-axis. Then you can move another point and give a value how much you want the parabola point, or else you can select this and you can measure the constraint, give a dimension, this length. You can give a height of this, select this point, this point. So now here this is the height and this is the width. So based on this your coordinate you can measure it. I'll go with another one. This is the hyperbola by the focus. 1 point, 2 point. Now you can give another point and do like this. So this is the hyperbola through the focus. And the last one, conic type. Select the conic type and I will sketch somewhere here. Click one point, second point, third point, and then connect with the second point. And now you move the cursor. Let me choose once again. Conic type, 1 point, second point, third point, then you connect this point, and based on the requirement of conic you can give a value, and this is the conic type. So I hope you can understand this conic type profile in a CATIA. So in next video, in a tutorial number, this is the tutorial number 10. So In the tutorial number 11 I will discuss another profile. So you can go to insert and profile. Now I complete this circle and conic. Now I will go to the spline in the next video. Thank you for watching.